Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Spring Lesson. In a new part, add a new sketch in the front plane, draw a circle, and dimension as indicated. Exit the sketch when finished. From the Features tab, click on Curves and select Helix and Spiral. Set the options to Pitch and Revolution and enter the values indicated. Click OK to finish. Add a new sketch on the right plane. Change to a right view. Draw a circle and dimension as indicated. Add a Pierce relation between the circle's center and the helix. Exit this sketch to continue. From the Features tab, select the Sweep Boss command. Select the sketch and the helix and click OK to finish. Select the helix curve and hide it. Save the part as a spring and close the file.